All right, had some good fortune in putting up the fascia board, as you can see along the top there, right there, right above the gutter, right under that ladder. So I put that in all the way across. Ran into a little issue on one end. There was a screw that was broken that was hanging out. I was able to use my oscillating tool to actually cut that out, which was a big plus. And once I was able to, I thought the board that I cut, the second part, was a little bit too long, but I actually just had to kind of wedge it in there, and I was able to use a mallet and crowbar. So got that up, got that all screwed in. If you see any blue tape pieces along the top, that's to mark where the gutter brackets will actually go. So I actually got a different set of brackets that actually supports underneath the gutter as well as the gutter itself, just for the fact that since we have 5-inch gutters, I wanted something with a little extra support. So that's what's in place. The next thing to do right now is putting in the drip edge and then tarring up a few of the shingles before I start working on the aluminum cover, and probably do a little bit of painting, just some small touch-ups here and there. And then the gutter goes back on. So more in store. Stay tuned. All right, see you on the next clip. Bye.